Hi, and welcome to VSDC channel. Today we've prepared a quick lesson on a cool distortion effect that will help you imitate underwater waves. Let's get to it. Create a new project and import your footage. Select the videos you've imported and convert them into a sprite with the following parameters. Use as container? No. Show effects? Yes. Fill background? No. Now open the Video Effects menu, find the Transformation group and select Distort. Notice that the duration of the effect should coincide with the duration of the sprite. Okay, now go through the settings of the Distort effect. Type Wave, Frequency 10%, Amplitude 4%, Angle, Linear Parameter Change along a trajectory. Type 0, 360. Alright, we're almost done. The only annoying part here is the black background visible on the sides. We'll need to crop that. Open the Video Effects menu once more, go to the Transformation group and select Crop. Again, notice that the duration of the effect should be the same as the duration of the video. In the Properties window, click Crop Tools and manually resize the scene so that the black areas are outside of it. Once ready, hit Apply Effect. Perhaps let's add another minor adjustment. Open the Video Effects menu and apply the Hue Saturation Value effect. In the Properties window, find Hue Levels and set Linear Parameter Change along a trajectory. Type 0, 360. And this is it. Thank you guys for watching and remember to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy video editing. Our new tutorial is coming soon.